Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Rawson. I want to show you how you can get on our library website so that you can look up places for your project for Miss McElmurray. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the class link, and in class link you're going to find the Destiny Discover app, which is our library website. When you open that up, you're going to see the learning links right there, the ones that I'm scrolling through. The very first one says Brittanica School. You're going to click that, and then the username and password for that is EHLIB for the username and CATS with an S for the password. When you sign in, this is where you can search for whatever place you're interested in. So I know Miss Mackey read you guys a book about Alaska. So let's look up Alaska and see what information we can find. And this is some information about Alaska. If you press the play button.
See Table Alaska Profile. The U.S. State of Alaska is an immense region of great natural beauty, but few people.
So if you press that, it'll read it to you. You also might notice above that there is a second reading level. So if you want more information, you can hit the 2 and it'll give you a little bit more information. You can click and find out more about the geography, the people, the economy, the history. You've clicked that too. There's also some images and videos that you can look at about whatever place you're interested in. Lots of cool things to see. And this isn't just about Alaska. Pretty much any country or place you can think of. Oh, there's a black bear video. So pretty much any place or country you can think of, you can look up under that Brittanica School website. And you just search for it, and there it is, and it's perfect for you guys. So I hope it's useful. I hope that's something that you guys can use and enjoy. And then let Miss Mackey know if you have any questions.